Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you are new to my channel, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video recipes, you will get all the video notifications. So please do not forget to press the bell. So today I am presenting 5 healthy evening snacks recipe. These snacks are actually very healthy, filling and also helps in weight loss. We actually feel very hungry around evening time of 5 to 7, that choti si bhook, and we tend to take junk food during that time. So instead of taking junk food, take this type of healthy snacks which will make you feel more active. So eat healthy and stay healthy. So first I am presenting one tasty and healthy egg salad recipe. So for this here I have taken 1 carrot cut into cubes, 1/4 cup frozen peas and 1 potato cut into cubes. Now I am going to steam them, and also I have taken 5 eggs and I have put it for boil. So after 8 to 10 minutes, just check the veggies. The veggies are steamed nicely. Check it with a fork. These are well cooked now. And now in a heated frying pan, just add 1 teaspoon of oil and add the steamed veggies and toss the veggies nicely. Add salt as per taste and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix them nicely. And finally add the boiled eggs. Just add the egg whites, do not add the egg yolks. Just slice the egg whites and add them. Mix it properly. Just before serving this salad, add half lemon juice and enjoy this egg salad. Now next snacks item is the Rajma Salad. So for this, soak 1 cup Rajma overnight or at least 8 hours. Now pressure cook this Rajma in the next morning for 3 whistles. And now in a mixing bowl, add 3/4 cup chopped onion, 3/4 cup chopped tomato, 3/4 cup chopped cucumber, 3/4 chopped green chilies, 1 small bowl of lettuce, 1 small bowl of coriander leaves, and 1 bowl of boiled Rajma. Now mix it properly. Add salt as per taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala and 1 lemon juice. And now mix it properly, and your healthy snacks Rajma Salad is ready to serve. Now next snacks item is roasted makhana chura. Now makhanas are very healthy. These are packed with goodness of protein, potassium, phosphorus, carbohydrates, fiber, magnesium, iron and zinc. This is very good for weight loss, good for kidneys. It also helps in balancing sugar levels. Makhanas are also known as foxnuts or lotus seeds. Now first you need to dry roast them. So you can see I'm dry roasting in a frying pan in high flame, and when I'm trying to break the nuts, I'm unable to do so. So I have to roast it for some more time. Still I'm unable to break it. So roast them until they become crunchy. Just roast them and you can see the color changing. So you can see the color changes. And now it's done. It is crunchy now like popcorn. And it can be easily break. Now take them in a bowl. And now in a frying pan add little oil. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Add few curry leaves. Saute slightly. Also add handful of peanuts. Add salt as per taste, half teaspoon of haldi powder. Now give it a quick mix and now add the roasted makhanas. Now just mix everything very nicely. You need to toss them. And the healthy, power-packed, delicious makhana chiwras are ready to serve. Now next snacks item is chickpea salad. Now this snacks item is very popular in South India. So first you need to soak chickpeas or chole overnight or at least 8 hours, and the next day just pressure cook it for 4 whistles. Add salt as per taste. Mix it properly. And now cook it for 4 whistles. And now in a heated frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of refined oil. Now add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 green chilies, few curry leaves, and now saute them for few seconds. And now you need to add the boiled chickpeas. Now mix it properly. Add salt as per taste. Remember, we have also added salt while boiling the chickpeas. So add it accordingly. Now add half lemon juice. And also mix it properly. And now finally add 4 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. And now mix it properly, and your another healthy chickpea salad is ready to serve. And the last snacks item is the sprouted green moong salad. So you can see first here I have taken the green moong bean, and you need to soak this overnight or at least 8 hours. And then next day drain all the water and wash it well, and then transfer it to a separate bowl. Now cover it and keep it in a warm place for 2 days, and you can see the beautiful sprouts from the moong beans. I have pressure cooked this green sprouts for 1 whistle, and now in a mixing bowl add the boiled green moong sprouts. Add 3/4 cup of grated carrots, 3/4 cup chopped cucumber, 1 chopped tomato, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, 1 small onion finely chopped, half cup chopped lettuce, And now mix it well. Add salt as per taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and 1 lemon juice. And now mix everything very well. And the sprouted green moong salad is ready to serve. I hope you like today's recipe, all the 5 easy and quick, healthy and tasty snacks and salad items. If you like this video, then please give a like to this video, share among your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Bye.